Here I have Asus Zenfone 10, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open contacts, then you have to tap here on three dots, go to its settings, select if you want to import or export. Then we're gonna import contacts from SIM1. Then you can select which contacts you want to import, so you can select them one by one or you can just select all, tap OK, and after that you will have these contacts here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.